Hi guys, hope everyone are fine. So in today's video we will see how to make a hot air balloon using newspaper that can fly in the sky. Before that, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it so that you will be notified whenever we upload the video. So now let's start. It's very simple to make this. First take a big page from the newspaper and crush it like this. Keep it in mind that it should not tear. If it tears, it will not work properly. Now open this and join all the four sides. Now using a stapler, pin it like this. You can even use a thread instead of a stapler. Now it's time to test it. For testing, you have to burn all the sides at a time and see what happens. Guys, did you see that? Hope you like it. Now let's see the same at night.